because we can. I got one new item. Oh yeah, that's right. I heard about this revolver. I haven't used it yet, but is it the revolver instead of the deagle? Yeah, revolver or deagle. I'm gonna play with the revolver here real quick. Play some deathmatch. Get the revolver. I got a breakout case. Oh.
Let's roll.
Tell you what I'm gonna do. I will open up some stuff soon. After I play a few death matches and a comp game, see what my drop is. See if I can get enough money for one key. We'll open up something. Excuse me. Oh, I'm sorry. That was pretty poor. That was bad. Okay. Let's go. What is this?
Let's get this over with.
I do. I want to use it because I have not used it. Oh, okay. You have to hold it down. I'm trying to figure this out. Okay. Why not? I heard somebody. If it has that load time to shoot... Ow. Ugh, one hit. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna use that. Okay. Let's, Ow. Okay. How many times did I hit him? 3. He hit me 4. Oh man, I didn't hit him in the face. That's the problem. The M4 A1S is... Dang it! I hit him 1 for 90. Oh my gosh. Ugh. I thought I hit him more than that. Oh well. Chicken! Oh, look at that. They have a Christmas sweater on. That's pretty cool. I suck! I did 4 hits on him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got one. Where am I? Oh gosh. I need to turn my... What? Teammate! What? Teammate! Oh my gosh. I suck so bad. Okay. Okay. Why? Why? keep hearing people spawn, but I don't know where. Oh gosh. I did hit him once, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Really? One tapped. Ugh. Goodness gracious. Why would I spawn into... Dang it! Didn't know who to shoot at. Why are you shooting at me? Holy crap! Why is it? Holy crap, am I lagging really bad? I am. Why am I lagging really bad? Why? Why am I lagging really bad? Why am I 200 ping? I should be fine. Three hits for 66. Great. I just love when I do that. Why? Why? Goodness gracious. Oh man. There we go. I wasn't even shooting at the guy. I okay. Okay. Got one. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Tagged him. Dinked him. There we go. Got him. I heard him coming. Oh my. Two hits, okay. Goodness gracious, you gotta be kidding me. 4 hits? Okay.
Get wrecked, nerds.
Nerds? Why would you call somebody a nerd? Oh crap! What the? Am I really that laggy? Why? Why am I so laggy? My... There's nothing else on. I don't know. Down to 5. I shot my teammate. Dang it! This guy. I missed the chicken. Oh, is that stealth bomber guy?
For the win.
Okay.
Allah.
Sure. Oh gosh. Get muted. Man. Well, I'm leaving though because my my ping is really bad and I don't know why. It shouldn't be. I can. There's a revolver case. No? There we go. Royal Paladin, Crimson Web. Yeah, that's not. No. None of them look like great. Ooh, that one's kind of cool. That one's cool. That one's decent. Okay. Ooh, I kind of like that. Oh, okay. Well. I don't know. I think I'm going to take a break because I've been, you know, going for friggin' ever. So